Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm the resident expert here at Skacel on all your knitting machine needs, and I'm here to show you how to take apart your machine in case you ever need to replace a part. So one of the first parts we're going to be replacing on the machine that's the most easiest to access are the feet, or the legs. And I think many of you probably already know this, but for those of you who may not, here's a little instruction. All of the feet are attached with little threads, and they should screw right into the bottom of your machine. If you ever find that you cannot screw a foot in, or it simply just doesn't stick, we offer a part where you can switch that out just to be sure that all your legs will stay on your machine. So I'm going to show you how to replace this bottom ring on your machine. And all you're going to need to do is have a Phillips screwdriver. And there are 4 screws on the bottom. And you're going to want to take off each one and make sure you have someplace level to put them just so they don't roll away. And all of the screws on the machine can be a little different. So if you're going through this process and you're lubing up your machine, be sure to keep your screws separate because they're not all interchangeable. All right, now that we have all 4 screws out, you can simply lift this piece right off. And to replace it, you simply bring on your new part. And you want to make sure everything is all lined up and simply screw it back in. If you have a small Pro machine with 22 needles, the same part is just kind of a miniaturized version. So you're going to go through the same process. It's 4 screws. You can simply pop it off and pop the new one on and screw it back in.